Good time now to think about repricing or ringing up your lender, trying to get a better rate on your home loan. There's a lot of what I believe is some retention wars going on out there between the lenders. So good time now to pick up the phone, ring your lender and ask for a better rate. I'm seeing a few lenders online now that are starting to drop their rates a little bit, not by much, but there is a bit of rate creep downwards, just a bit of a rate decline at the moment I'm seeing. So yeah, good time now to get onto your bank, request a pricing, see how you go. If they won't help you, I'm happy to help, reach out anytime. But we are seeing a lot of refinances at the moment with clients. If they've got equity available, they're pulling that equity out and they're putting it back into their own home, doing some renovations or consolidating some debt, whatever it might be. But yeah, good time now to ring up your home loan lender, get the deal repriced. Yeah, could be saving you some money there. Cheers.